Caladium is a genus of tropical plants known for their vibrant and colorful foliage. Here's a comprehensive overview of caladium plants. Botanical overview. Scientific classification. Caladium belongs to the family Aroids. Genus. Caladium. Species. There are various species, but the most commonly cultivated species include Caladium bicolor, Caladium humboldti, and Caladium schomburgki. Appearance, foliage. Caladiums are primarily grown for their attractive, heart-shaped or arrowhead-shaped leaves. Leaf colors. The leaves come in a wide range of colors, including shades of red, pink, white, green, and combinations of these colors. Vein patterns. The leaves often feature contrasting vein patterns that enhance their visual appeal. Size. Depending on the variety, the size of the leaves can range from small to large. Growing conditions. Climate. Caladiums are tropical plants and thrive in warm, humid conditions. Temperature. They prefer temperatures between 70 degrees to 85 degrees, 21 degrees C to 29 degrees C. Light. While they can tolerate some direct sunlight, they generally prefer partial to full shade. Too much sun can scorch their leaves. Soil. Well-draining, rich, and slightly acidic soil is ideal for caladiums. Watering. They require consistently moist soil, but should not be waterlogged. Cultivation and care. Propagation. Caladiums are typically propagated through tubers, which are the swollen underground stems. Planting. Plant tubers in spring, when the soil has warmed up. Plant them about 1 to 1.5 inches deep. Spacing. Provide enough space between plants to allow for proper air circulation. Fertilization. Caladiums benefit from regular feeding with a balanced, water-soluble fertilizer during the growing season. Mulching. Mulch can help retain moisture and regulate soil temperature. Common varieties. White Christmas. Features large, white leaves with green veins. Red Flash. Known for its striking red and green foliage. Pink Beauty. Exhibits pink leaves with green margins. Florida Sweetheart. Displays heart